governance. It's not an alligator race. They are failing in the speed and the rush with which they are attempting to implement all their policies overnight. How do you do that? We are seeing footages, and on Joy News, Joy Midday News, on radio and television, we hear the features, we see the clips. Children are suffering. They are sleeping in the open. When we were busy eliminating schools under trees, they are now introducing eating and feeding under trees. Now we are hearing, we're talking about arrogance. You want to look for arrogance, go and look for Napoleon, whatever his name is, Opoku Prempeh. And he has the effrontery and the audacity to be insulting, is what, Nana Poku? Nana Poku, yeah. This is the first time I'm hearing it. Yeah. So that's his house name. You think he's arrogant? Oh yeah? You are looking for a personification of arrogance? Go look for Napo. He has the effrontery to be insulting Professor Jenano Pukwajima. After all the hard work that we did, if nothing at all, we shall credit her and the Jamama administration for the hefty infrastructure in the by way of the community-based secondary schools. Do you see anything good in the NPP administration so far? What I see good is that God is making us see them for who they are. So essentially a year. It's been a year on of the NPP administration. You don't see anything good? Invisible forces, Delta forces, crime on the loose. You don't see anything good? There's nothing you can say, pinpoint and say, well, this is good at least, nothing. I may need some eye drop to clear something off my eye to see something good about this government.